Hi, and welcome back to our channel. The present video is totally urgent for medical care laborers wanting to come to the UK or those generally working here. I'll separate the significant changes to the well-being and care visa rules for 2024-2025 that will influence great many clinical professionals. Stay tuned as we dive deep into pay edges, dependent restrictions, and what these progressions mean for your future in the UK medical care sector. Before we begin, in the event that you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest UK migration news. If you find this information helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel reach more people who need this information. The UK government has announced significant adjustments to the well-being and care visa framework, marking perhaps one of the most significant updates in recent years. These changes are set to take effect from spring 2025, with certain measures being progressively eased throughout 2024. The most notable change is the increase in the base salary requirement. The overall minimum salary threshold for skilled worker visas is rising from £26,200 to £38,700. However, medical care workers will benefit from a special arrangement. They will continue to be exempt from this higher threshold and must meet the going rate for their specific occupation codes. This exception recognizes the critical role of healthcare workers while maintaining competitive salary standards within the sector. For NHS employers and private healthcare providers, these changes maintain their ability to recruit international healthcare professionals while ensuring fair pay. The government has confirmed that nurses can still come to the UK on salaries starting at around £30,000, aligned with NHS pay bands. This decision helps protect the pipeline of international talent that has become essential to the UK's healthcare system. A significant change affects the dependents of medical care workers. New restrictions will be placed on bringing family members to the UK. Care workers can no longer bring dependents, while other healthcare professionals will face stricter eligibility criteria for family visas. This marks a major shift from the previous policy, where all well-being and care visa holders could bring their dependents relatively easily. The care sector faces particular attention in these changes. While care workers remain on the shortage occupation list, there are new restrictions. Care firms must be regulated by the Care Quality Commission to sponsor visas, and enhanced compliance checks will be implemented. Firms must demonstrate genuine staffing needs, and stricter monitoring of working conditions and pay will be enforced. The route to settlement remains largely unchanged for healthcare professionals. After 5 years of continuous residence, visa holders can still apply for indefinite leave to remain, provided they meet the eligibility criteria. However, the government has introduced stronger English language requirements and more rigorous checks on continuous employment. The well-being and care visa will continue to offer priority processing for NHS workers. Applications linked to NHS positions will be processed within 3 weeks in most cases, maintaining the fast-track nature of this visa category. The visa will continue to have reduced application fees compared to other work visas, and applicants remain exempt from paying the immigration health surcharge. This represents significant savings, particularly over the length of a 3-year visa. Existing well-being and care visa holders will not be immediately affected by these changes. They can continue under their current conditions until their visa expires. However, when applying for extensions or switching employers, they will need to comply with the new rules in place at that time. Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland may have slight variations in implementation, particularly regarding care sector regulations. For new applicants, it is crucial to start the application process well in advance and ensure qualifications meet current UK standards. Enhanced English language requirements must be met, and careful consideration should be given to dependent conditions before applying. Maintaining detailed documentation of healthcare experience and securing job offers that meet the new going rate requirements are essential steps. Current visa holders should review their visa expiry dates and plan accordingly, considering the timing of any planned employer changes, maintaining comprehensive employment records, and staying informed about changes affecting specific roles is critical. The implications for any planned dependent applications should also be carefully considered. Healthcare employers must update their sponsorship processes and ensure compliance with new regulatory requirements. Maintaining accurate records of sponsored workers and implementing proper salary structures aligned with new requirements are essential. Employers should also offer appropriate support for visa holders transitioning to the new system. The UK government has indicated that these changes are part of a longer-term strategy to reduce net migration while maintaining essential healthcare staffing levels. Further changes may be introduced as the system is monitored and evaluated for progress. Under the new system, healthcare workers should act promptly if planning to apply under current rules and maintain strong supporting documentation. Staying up to date with regulatory requirements and considering professional membership in relevant UK bodies is advisable. Investing in continuous professional development and building strong relationships with potential UK employers will be beneficial. These changes represent a significant shift in UK migration policy for healthcare workers. While the core pathway remains open, the new rules create a more structured and selective system. Success in obtaining and maintaining a well-being and care visa will require careful planning, thorough preparation, and strict compliance with the new requirements. Remember that successful applications require careful planning, thorough preparation, and attention to detail. The reward is the opportunity to contribute to one of the world's largest healthcare systems while developing your professional career in the UK. Additionally, make sure to stay connected with official sources for the most up-to-date information, as implementation details may be refined as we approach the effective dates of these changes. Thank you for watching this comprehensive update on the UK Wellbeing and Care Visa changes. If you found this information valuable, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with others who could benefit from this knowledge. Let us succeed by helping others do the same. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to address them in upcoming videos. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and remember that giving up on this journey is not an option.